Can I ring this? Marriage? Wait a second. Wait. I didn't sign up for this. Wait a second. It's a trap. No, I don't want to be married. I don't want to be married. No. What's this? Wait, this better not be another wedding. Wait. This is just a normal bell and piano and organ, right? And yeah, man, for sure. Wait, I just realized there's a wedding ring. Wait! I didn't say yes. Huh? Listen, I think there's been a bit of a misunderstanding here. Okay, I don't think we're married.